Hey guys, just a quick video here. We're going to replace the windshield on this RT. I'm going to swap this out, stock RT windshield, for a aftermarket one. So we're going to take off these 2 screws here and there, take off these 4 screws and pull it off and put the new one on. All right, with this off, after the black piece off, you have another screw underneath. These are T25s. And then this one has been loose. You can see it's vibrating, and then both of these screws were loose, so you can see there's a little vibration there. So I'm glad I took it off. I want to take these T25s off and get it going. All right, you can see these 2 screws that hold the windscreen on have a sleeve on it, and these ones don't. These are holding on this plastic piece right here. So those are what's the difference. All right, here's a new windshield I put on the Ztechnik Z2351. Somebody's getting at it. This is the tall windshield because I'm 6'1" and I like to sit pretty high, so this is what I'm using. So see how this comes out. So I can do this one-handed. Lay it down. Ooh, there's directions. And see, as it tells you, there's a Torx T25 wrench. I'm looking to see if they give you a tight and firmly, so they don't give you a torque spec. I'll see if I can look up a torque spec for you guys and go from there. Straightforward. I'll get this unwrapped and get back to you. All right, give you the difference, the height difference of the stock windshield. So the stock one's on top, and then the new Ztechnik. So there's what, probably good 6 inches there, and then so I'm getting a lot of room there. So that's kind of nice. I've run these Ztechnik windshields before. Super happy with it. Actually, it slid down. So there you go. There's the difference between the stock and original. So I'm going to get this unwrapped and we'll get it in place. These Torx 25 bolts to go back in, and they sit firmly. I'm going to see if I can find a torque spec for you guys, but firmly could be vague compared to anybody else. Alright, I put these in by hand already. Alright, I found a spec on the internet, the interwebs, and I found 25 inch-pounds. All right. Very small. Make sure you don't confuse inch pounds and foot pounds. All right, putting on these last 2 here, and then in the same, I'm going to put 20 inch pounds is what I'm using. Or as the directions say for the Ztechnik windshield, firm. I don't like firm when you worry about something that could take your head off. It's not right. All right. Click. There we go. Very light. Very light, 20 inch-pounds. All right, there's a comparison, the height difference between the old one and the new one. So it's quite a substantial difference. It's about the same width down here, but it kind of widens out up there and it gets definitely higher there. So I'm excited to see how it is. I'll report back later. All right, guys, Honey Badger, quick little thing. We got the windshield on. If you guys like what you see, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. We got more to do on this bike.